So if you're someone who thinks you can't get a nice close shave with an electric razor, then you need to take a look at what this Panasonic ARC5 can do. So the thing that surprised me the most with this is honestly just how close I was able to get here. I just did a shave with this a little bit ago, and I'm proud to say that I have no irritation, didn't get any nicks, no redness, and I didn't get any tugging either. There was no pulling, and I actually let my facial hair go a little bit longer than I normally would for this demo that I just did right here for this video. Panasonic sponsored this video and sent this shaver over so I could show you my experience with it. Now the first thing you'll probably notice with this is the size. You see how small this is? Has a little magnetic cover on here. It's got 5 blades that you can see right there on top. A little push button right on the bottom here. It's got a travel lock as well that you can use with that function. And you can get the black version or this Nori, which is absolutely beautiful here. You can see this white color. This does have an intelligent shave sensor in here. So this motor is basically gonna, give it all when it needs to. And if it's going smooth and you don't need the full power, it's gonna dial it down in that. So it's kind of a dynamic motor on here. So pretty neat if you're having, certain areas where it's a little tougher or you need a little bit more oomph, it can give it to you. But otherwise, it's probably gonna help with that battery life too. If things are going well and you don't need that extra juice from it, it's not gonna have to give it to you. So you can get up to 50 minutes of shave time with this. And then it takes about 2 hours to fully charge this. It's really convenient though. On the back here, there's a little port and it has a silicone seal to make sure that water doesn't get in there. And this is a USB-C port on here. So very modern. It's something I'd love to see on, all grooming products. But with this, I can use the same Type-C cable that I use to charge my MacBook or my iPhone or earbuds or heck, even my camera. So I think that is a huge win. I love how convenient that is. Now this is IPX7 water resistant as well, so you don't have to worry about this getting wet. You can use it in the shower if you want to. It's a wet dry shaver. If you want to put on some shaving cream or shaving gel or something like that, if you do have sensitive skin, you can do that and you don't have to worry about it. You can rinse it off after. And what I'm going to show you here today, I actually just use this completely dry, no lubrication at all. And as I said, I got no cuts, no pulling, no razor burn, anything. So if we take off the top, you can kind of see the inner workings right here. This has 5 blades. This is all stainless steel inside of here also. They give you a brush so you can just clean this off when you're done with it, or you can rinse it out as well because it is IPX7 water resistant, as I mentioned. This just clicks right back on. There are 2 small dots right here because it does go on the same way, facing one direction. They say this has 70,000 cross-cutting actions per minute, so that is going to lead to that nice smooth shave. I didn't have any instances of pulling or tugging, pinching, any of that. So some of the notable things you're going to get in the box, you're going to get the shaver here, obviously. This has this little magnetic cover on here. I like too, this magnetic cover, it goes on and stays on. It's not going to fall off if you're, smacking this, bumping it or anything like that. And you can kind of have peace of mind with that because it comes off easy, but when you're not using this or when you're traveling with it, you're not going to just have it like this in like your backpack or suitcase. You're going to have it in this travel case they give you. This has a nice plush interior here. This fits perfectly in there. And then you can just zip this closed, and it's got a nice enclosed zipper then. Fabric kind of covers that up. And then you're left with this. So for traveling and, if you do happen to drop this or anything, have this with a bunch of other stuff in your bag, you can have complete peace of mind. You're not going to have to worry about it at all. So you can see here, just for a size comparison, this is my iPhone 16 Pro. And this is when it's packed up inside the case. So amazing for travel and portability. So the nice thing is with this Panasonic ARC5, I actually got a closer shave and I didn't have to trade off any of the comfort for it. It got nice and close, and it's really the closest shave I've probably ever got with an electric razor. So I had to do a couple passes sometimes to go back over areas a little bit. Some of that was kind of getting used to this shaver and, kind of the direction you got to go with it. Sometimes, going around more in a circle in certain spots, if I was having some problem areas, would get the job done. And sometimes pulling the skin completely taut wasn't the best way to go. Actually, I found letting my skin be a little bit more loose in some of those spots actually helped get the hair a little better as well. Definitely most effective kind of going against the grain, seeing where your hair is running and kind of taking it that opposite direction here. But here's kind of how we're looking over here. But yeah, overall, pretty darn smooth shave. And as you see, there's really no irritation. I don't know how it's coming up completely on camera. We'll see here, but I don't have any nicks, no redness, no cuts. So I'm very happy with how this is done so far. And again, just doing all just dry shave with this. So based on the packaging, they did do an immersion test with this for that IPX7 rating. And they put it in a meter of water, and they say it's good for up to 30 minutes in a meter of water. It's one thing that I don't like with some of my other trimmers and grooming tools. You know, if I'm using those, the hair is kind of going all over the place. It's getting on me, it's getting on the countertop, and I have, you know, a sink bowl that I have to wipe out when I'm done. With this, it's all contained, and then I can kind of just empty this into the toilet or wastebasket, and you're good to go. I like that I can take this with me on the go, and I'm not leaving a mess anywhere. If I'm at a guest house, you know, or in a public space, something like that, you can get a nice quick shave. It's going to be close and comfortable, and you're not going to have hair all over when you're done. Now, this has the power button on the bottom of the unit here. If you hold that down while it's on, you hold it down for a few seconds, you'll see the indicator come on, and that is how you put on the travel lock. So when you do that, it's going to shut off your device and it's going to put it into that travel lock mode. So you're not going to have to worry about accidentally turning it on, but there's probably a low likelihood of that anyway because you're going to have this case with you. So if you have it, you know, in this case, you're probably not going to do that anyway. So you can see here, I was able to hit basically all the way from my sideburns here, you know, down my jawline, underneath on my neck. I took it up to kind of underneath my goatee here. And, you know, there were a couple spots where I had to go back over it a little bit or kind of, you know, play around with which direction I was moving with this. But I had a very effective shave with this and was able to hit, you know, everything that you see that doesn't have hair on it right here. So I'm really happy with how this performed. I didn't have any irritation, no tugging. I let my hair go actually a little bit longer than I normally do in between shaves, and it still did an awesome job. The hold for this, I kind of prefer doing like this method here, maybe 2 fingers and kind of having it rest on my other fingers, you know, thumb over on this side. You know, I've seen kind of some of the pictures and video showing, you know, you could hold this way as well. I kind of feel like just naturally, I kind of went into like this hold right here, this grip, and that did the best for me. You still have a lot of control. You can still kind of, you know, roll this around. And, you know, the foil blades on here, you can see you get quite a bit of displacement here too. So if you're, you know, going over some spots like that jawline, this does have quite a bit of movement, and, you know, being able to kind of just rock and roll your hand a little bit too helps give it a little bit more range of motion even. So to clean this out, you just hit on the sides here. There's these 2 buttons for these releases. You just press there, press here, and then your top is going to come off like this. And then you can just kind of tap that out into your sink. And then you also have those brushes they give you, so you can kind of brush that out and clean it out as well. And then you've got your little magnetic top here. That just goes right on top, and you are good to go. You can throw this back in the actual carrying case here, zip it up, and you're good till next time. So I really love just kind of how compact form factor this is, and being able to just throw this in my backpack. Half the time if I'm going on a trip, I've got some of my things like this, some of my toiletries in the upper part of my backpack. And heck, if you're in an airport or a hotel, you know, this is very accessible to be able to just kind of grab this and do a quick little shave. If you're looking for a quick, close, convenient shave without having to sacrifice any comfort, I'd highly recommend this Panasonic ARC5 shaver. There's going to be a link in the comments and description. Thanks for watching with me here today. Make sure to leave any questions that you had come up during this video in the comment section down there, and I'll get to them. Make sure to subscribe for more men's grooming content. I'll see you guys on the next one.